Wow learning.
Hello, kids on Earth. I am here to learn new words so we can understand each other.
ตั้งใจเฮียน
Calf. A very young cow.
ตั้งใจเฮียน
Foal.
ดู
A
ดูหนังสือ
very
นะ
young horse. Piglet. A very young pig. Kitten. A very young cat.
Can you pick out?
Piglet.
Good job. Tap on.
Foal.
Well done. Tap on.
Calf.
Good job. Which one is?
Kitten.
Good job. Oh, it's time for me to leave the Earth. Bye-bye, kids.
Activity 2. Learn vocabulary.
เฮียนเฮียนเฮียนเฮียน
Plug in bulbs. Drag the plugs to match the animal with its baby. Cat, kitten, pig, piglet. Drag the plugs to match the animal with its baby. Cow, calf, horse, foal. Activity 3. Pronunciation. Speaking with Max.
ตั้งใจ
Hi
ช่วยมา
kids, let's learn to pronounce some words. This time the word is
Calf.
ตั้งใจช่วยปากนะ
Calf. Calf.
let's speak
Madam
the
Langla.
word clearly. Tap the red button.
Calf. Calf. Calf.
Tap the green button.
Calf. Calf. Calf.
This time the word is
Piglet. 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 Piglet.
let's speak the word clearly. Tap the red button.
Piglet. Piglet.
หลังหลัง
Piglet.
Tap the green button.
Piglet. Piglet. Pig.
This time the word is
Kitten. Kit. Ten. Kitten. Kitten.
let's speak the word clearly.
Kitten. 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 Kitten.
Wow, you've learned how to pronounce some words. Good job.
Activity 4. Learn sight words. Building demolition. Let's demolish the old building with Max.